The internet has changed the game. It's a whole new world out there. Attention is the new currency. It's what everyone is after. Forget gold, forget dollars, forget Bitcoin. They don't hold the same power anymore. The real prize is people's attention. It's the most valuable asset today. Every second someone spends watching your video, reading your blog, or engaging with your tweet, that's valuable. That's power. It's influence. You're competing with the entire world for eyeballs. It's a fierce battle. Netflix, Instagram, Fortnite, they all want a piece of your audience's time. They are your competition. But here's the thing. You can win. You can stand out. How? By creating content so good, so engaging, so valuable that people can't help but pay attention. Make them want more. Content that cuts through the noise and resonates. Own your audience. Make them yours. Don't rent it from platforms. Don't rely solely on them. Build a direct connection with your followers. Make it personal. Email lists, private communities, these are your assets. They are your goal. This is how you build a sustainable business in the attention economy. This is your path to success. Stop binge watching. Stop scrolling mindlessly. Stop being a consumer of other people's content. It's time to switch sides. It's time to become a creator. The world is hungry for new voices, new perspectives, new stories. What are you passionate about? What do you know more about than anyone else? That's your superpower. Maybe you're a master chef, a fitness guru, a video game whiz. Share your knowledge, document your journey, create tutorials, reviews, behind-the-scenes glimpses into your world. Building something, anything, is infinitely more rewarding than passively consuming. You'll learn new skills, connect with like-minded people, and maybe, just maybe, build an empire in the process. Influence is the ability to persuade people to take action. It's a powerful tool that can shape opinions, drive trends, and even change lives. And in the digital age, influence equals money. Social media platforms have become the new marketplace where influence is the currency. Period. Think about it. Your thoughts and ideas can reach millions with just a click. The biggest brands in the world pay influencers to promote their products. Why? Because they know the power of a trusted voice. Because influencers have something money can't buy: trust. This trust is built over time through genuine interactions and consistent content. When you build a loyal following, you build trust. People trust your recommendations. They value your opinion. They see you as a friend, not just a marketer, and they're willing to spend money based on your advice. Your influence can drive their purchasing decisions. This isn't about selling out. It's about staying true to your values while finding ways to monetize your passion. It's about finding ways to monetize your passion, whether it's through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or creating your own products. Turn your love of cooking into a sponsored recipe series. Share your culinary skills with the world and get paid for it. Turn your gaming skills into a Twitch streaming channel. Engage with your audience while doing what you love. Turn your knowledge of finance into an online course. The possibilities are endless. Your passion can become your paycheck. But Gary, you might be thinking, I don't want to be an influencer. I don't want to be on camera. Guess what? You don't have to be. The internet allows for anonymous creation. You can build a massive following without ever showing your face. Start a podcast, write a blog, create a YouTube channel with animated explainer videos. The content is king, not your face. Focus on providing value. Share your expertise. Tell stories. Engage with your audience. Build a community around your content. You can achieve incredible things from behind the scenes. Here's the secret sauce: consistency. You can't just post once a month and expect to build an empire. You need to show up every single day. Consistency builds trust, it builds anticipation, it keeps your audience engaged, it tells the algorithm you're serious. Think of it like working out. You don't get ripped by going to the gym once a month. You need to put in the work day after day, week after week. The same goes for content creation. Create a schedule and stick to it. Batch create content when you can. Use scheduling tools to automate the process. Just make sure you're consistently delivering value to your audience. Section 6. Monetizing your influence, from ads to affiliates and beyond. Once you have an engaged audience, the monetization opportunities are endless. You can run ads on your YouTube videos, blog posts, and podcasts, join affiliate programs, and recommend products you love. Create your own digital products like online courses, ebooks, and templates. Partner with brands on sponsored content. Host webinars and online workshops. The key is to diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Experiment with different monetization models. Find what works best for you and your audience. Section 7. Invest like a boss, asymmetric bets, and tax deed treasures. Building wealth isn't just about making money. It's about investing that money wisely. Forget trying to time the stock market. Focus on asymmetric bets. Look for opportunities where the potential upside far outweighs the downside. Invest in yourself. Acquire new skills. Explore alternative investments like tax deeds. This is where you can buy properties for pennies on the dollar. There's a learning curve, but the potential returns are massive. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, do your research, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Section 8. Financial Freedom Formula Dump Debt Date. SMART. Two often overlooked aspects of building wealth are managing debt and choosing the right partner. Debt is like a ball and chain around your ankle. It holds you back from taking risks, pursuing your passions, and building true wealth. Attack your debt aggressively. Create a budget, cut unnecessary expenses, and throw every extra dollar towards your debt. Equally important is finding a partner who shares your financial values. Money is a leading cause of stress and divorce. Date smart. Have open and honest conversations about finances early on. A supportive partner who is aligned with your financial goals is an invaluable asset on your journey to wealth. When you and your partner are on the same page financially, you can work together to achieve your dreams. This unity not only strengthens your relationship, but also accelerates your path to financial freedom. Remember, financial success is not just about numbers. It's about teamwork and shared vision. Section 9. Your empire awaits. Start building today. The information age has leveled the playing field. You don't need a trust fund, a fancy degree, or connections to build wealth. You just need hustle, creativity, and the willingness to put in the work. Start small. Start today. Create that YouTube video. Write that blog post. Launch that podcast. Take action, even if it's imperfect. The world is waiting to hear your story. Your empire awaits. Go build it.